Hmm?
How far am I in the air?
I don't know. Pretty high though.
That's the top where we just landed on.
I know, that was so high.
And that's a jungle gym.
Yep.
That's a jungle gym. Right at Again! Again! The ice. The ice. I'm going slow. Abba.
Good job.
Papa?
Yes, that was Bubba's. Feels so good to have all of this mostly done. Like, we still need to put some extra boards on the side. I'm sorry, my kids are so loud right now. But I have everything in the ground minus a couple of new seedlings that I started. And then look how stinking cute the coop is gonna be. Got the roof on it, Matt did last night. And then the back side is complete with all the boards. We just need a door. And we're putting a window here of some sort, and then this back side needs to be either chicken wire or another piece of wood, whatever we can do. But it's coming along. It's getting there. I'm super excited. They're gonna love it. Spoiled little ladies.
And watch this. Watch this. Jumping jacks.
Wow.
This is jumping jacks, Everett. I can't really do jumping jacks.
You're doing them. You're doing it pretty good.
And watch this too. Look. And crisscross applesauce too.
Yep.
Legs.
The birdies have hatched.
Little bear.
The little babies. I was over here watering. Oh, they're so hungry. Where's mommy? I will hurry up, Mama Bear. I mean, bird. Yeah, I thought usually she hops out as soon as I water, and she wasn't in there. So baby birds are already there.
Shoot.
Hi. Hey, don't scare them off. We're trying to get them to go to their new home.
What are you doing?
Feeding the chickens and letting them walk around. Ugh.
I cut myself in half.
You like their new house?
Yeah.
Me too.
But I just look but I love to go in there.
You want to go in there?
I love to. But I sure we can unlock it.
Yeah. The well house has been so useful, so I really wanted to try to dress it up on the sides. So I used some of those on the side. I just plucked some from the front of my yard and replanted them. And then I bought a few of these that are going to be like some creeping vines going up, and hopefully it'll look real nice. My plans are to get some rocks for the well house and some wood chips for the birds. Wow. Go, 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 go.
Big old trees here.
I see.
Y'all are free to go. Go to the slide. When you're missing. Set.
Everett, you didn't go.
You want to try again? Hold on. You don't want to race? Ready? Set. Goldfish.
Abby, come here.
Come here, Abe. Alright. Ready? Set. Go. Alright.
Everett, Lord.
Everett doesn't want to slide.
1, 2, 3, go.
Watch out, Abe.
Work out for 2 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, go, Abby. Good job. Woo, Abby, good job.